Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Chord Guitar. We have a cool, funny song here, lovely song actually, the Backseat Lovers Snowbank Blues. Cool song with this cool rhythm here, and it's nice to even watch the music video, so give it a try, guys. The Backseat Lovers Snowbank Blues. Let's take a look at this one. No need for any cape on this one, so we're going clean. But we have a couple of chords to go over. The first one will be kind of a C-G chord. Yeah, we can go over it. It looks like this, and we'll work a little bit with it as well. But the chord as it is goes third on E, third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. So I will explain that later. Let us just go over the chords. That's the C-G chord. Next one is the A minor. So that is open A, second E, second G, first B, and open E. We have an F next, a bar chord. So that's a bar placed on the first fret over all strings. And then the rest will be third on A, third on D, and second on G. Then we have a standard C, that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. Then we have the GB chord. So that is second on A, open D, open G, third B, and open E. Then we have a standard G, and that is third on A, second on D, third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. All right, and there I believe we went through all the chords we need. All right, so let's start with the strumming first, and we can grab the C-G chord, and one strumming around is down, down, up. So very easy, down, down, up. Down, down, up. And how we work with this strumming here, if you can, go with the bass notes on the first down, the notes up here, and then work with the top notes with the down, up. The top or mid string, so somewhere in the middle here and down. So it goes bass, top, top. Right, so this first chord here, if we go to the verse first, this C-G is a little bit different from the others, because here you want to hit and alternate the bass notes, okay? So that's the reason for the C and G. So one string around is like this. You can hold the chord as it is, the C-G, or do like I do. I switch the bass notes alternating like that, okay? Back and forth. So that means on the first string around, the down, down, up, I hit the C note here, which is the third on the A string, this one. So I start there, one string around, and the next round I go up to the G note here, the third fret on the E string, and play down on this bass string, and then down, up. And then to do next, go back to the third A and alternate like this. So 8 rounds of this will be, that's 1, that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 string arounds, that means 4 per C, third A, and 4 on the third E string. So this is the only chord you work with like this. You switch the bass notes alternating, starting with third fret on A and go to the E, back like this. All right, so 8 strumming rounds in total with the C, G, and then you go to A minor and play 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you go to F and play 8. And then you end with the same starting point there, the C, G chord. That is 1 chord progression round. So it both starts and ends with 8 strumming rounds on the C, G. So 1 round of the verse goes like this. Okay, so you're gonna play that for 2 chord progression rounds, and then starts the chorus. All right, you're gonna work with the same strumming pattern. Now it goes a little bit quicker between the chord switches. So you're gonna go C, 1 round, then the GB 1 round, then the A minor 1, then G1, and then 8 on the F. This is the first half of the chorus. So the second half goes like this: C1, GB1, A minor 1, G1, and then comes the A minor 1, G1, again A minor 1, and again G1, and now F8. All this is 1 chord progression round, all right? And you're gonna play that for 2 rounds, okay? So 2 rounds of that, and that is the chorus, all right? So then we'll go back to the second verse, and it's played in the same way as the first one. All right, so nothing changes there except from one thing, and I forgot to mention the F changes a little bit in the chorus there. On the second round in the chorus, so there you will play, instead of playing the F in the end there, 8 rounds, you play that with F minor. What that means, you just take it off this second fret on the G string, you take that off to get it first with this bar chord. So it looks like this. Just take this second fret G string off and play this chord. This is the F minor. So you're gonna divide this final F on the F4 and F minor 4. So the second round in the chorus goes F4 and then F minor 4. That takes us to the second verse, and this is the same as in the first one. And the same goes with the second chorus played in the same way as the first one, so nothing changes there. Then at 2 minutes and about 8 seconds into the song, we have a bridge part. And here, the rhythm changes a little bit, the strumming pattern changes. So we'll work with just downs now. So if you grab the C chord. All right, so the C is with this strum pattern. Okay, so it's 3 downs in total. You play the first 2 downs together, and then a short pause, and then comes the third down. This is the rhythm. So it's down, 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 down. All right. So you're gonna play on the first down on the bass, if you can. And then the second down that comes immediately right after, you play on the top note, then a short pause, and then the third final down you stay on the top notes down here. So it's bass, top, top, bass, top, top. All And I see right now that I actually forgot to mention one chord in this bridge part. It's played only here, and that is the D minor. Sorry there. We will work with this tutorial together, I see. But this is the D minor. You have the open D, second G, third B, and first E. All right. So that is the D minor. So again, if we go back to look at the chord progression here with this new kind of rhythm here, down, 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 you will play 1 on C, then 1 on the GB, and 4 on A minor, then we do that again, 1 on C, 1 on GB, and now 2 on A minor, and here comes the D minor for 2 rounds, and then you end with F 4 rounds. That's it for the bridge parts. I'm gonna take you through this without speaking anything. You will just have to hear it how it sounds. So let's go. That's the bridge part. And then you will come back to this verse play. So you will switch again back to the strumming pattern, this down, down, up, and you start here immediately with the C, G chord. You just play that for 2 rounds, and that will end the Backseat Lovers Snowbank Blues. Alright guys, so sorry for forgetting about a couple chords there in the intro of this tutorial here, but we worked together here, and I think we brought it from the beginning till the end. So good luck with Snowbank Blues, and yeah, play tuned.